Hey guys, I'm Shikha and welcome back to another episode of B-Town Style Under 3 Minutes, where we help you break down your favorite celebrities' look. Now I have to admit, a celebrity that I've really had a major style crush on is Ayushmann Khurrana and his stylist Isha Bhansali, only for the really experimental and fresh looks that they've been giving us. While promoting his movie Article 15, Ayushmann was seen wearing this amazing Sahil Aneja outfit, and let me break it down for you. Starting with the t-shirt, he was seen wearing a basic white graphic tee with a round neck, which he elevated by pairing it with a pair of high-waist millennial pink trousers, and he layered the look with a moto-style snakeskin print jacket which had hues of browns, which usually a snakeskin print has, and hues of pink which complemented the pants. So I think pairing the pants with that jacket was a genius idea. He completed the look with a sturdy black watch that kind of made the look a little bit more masculine since he was wearing pink, and he completely pulled it like a boss. And he finished the look with a pair of white Fila sneakers. The sneakers were chunky, they had a really big sole, so it gives you a little bit of height and it completely ties the look together. Starting with the jacket, I think it's such a versatile and unisex piece. I think boys and girls, both of them can wear a jacket like this one. You throw it over a black dress and boom, it becomes a statement. Or you could wear it with jeans and a white t-shirt if you don't want to wear a pair of millennial pink trousers like Ayushmann did. The jacket has animal print on it, and animal print has really been trending in the past year. I think 2019, one of the major trends has been animal print, and he threw pastel hues into the jacket, which again elevated the look and made it look really fresh and different. He paired it with a graphic t-shirt. I think an outfit like this one can take your graphic t-shirt from 0 to 100, and he also added a pair of high-waist slouchy trousers, which is a big trend as well. Again, he finished the look with dad sneakers, and chunky sneakers and dad sneakers are the way to go in 2019. I think slimmer sneakers or compact looking sneakers, we can tuck them away and make way for chunkier sneakers like dad sneakers, like the Fila Disruptors that Ayushmann was wearing. They're chunkier, they give you that height, and they definitely make a statement. So that's it guys, that was our style talk for the day. But before I leave, I have a confession to make. I'm guilty of wishlisting too many products on my Myntra app. I mean, I think I've been wishlisting so much that the products are going to fall off my app. But you know what? I have bought a new wardrobe and I don't want it to feel lonely. So I can't wait for my wishlist to make it to my closet. और मैं तो कहती हूँ आप लोग भी wishlist करें, because the longer your wishlist, the better chance you guys have to win a VIP slot at the Myntra end of season sale. So start wishlisting now.
Hey guys, I am Swati and this is B-Town Style Under 3, where we help you break down the latest looks of Bollywood celebrities. We all know of Tiger Shroff's love for utilitarian fashion, and he is often seen wearing either cargo pants and fitted tees, joggers and muscle tees, or chunky sporty jackets. Doing a look in the same space at the recent round of promotions, Tiger was seen wearing a black printed shirt which had a two-pocket detail in the front along with a belt, and he paired the shirt with a pair of black cargo pants. He finished the look with grey sneakers, aviators and big chunky watch. Let us have a look at some pieces you men can try if you want to get a look like Tiger's. Start with a pair of black jeans and then team it up with a black t-shirt which has a color block detail, and then you can layer the entire look with a sturdy utility jacket like this one, which has a front door pocket detail like the one of Tiger's shirt. If you're looking to go for an interesting print, you could try a shirt like this one. This shirt features a mandarin collar along with an abstract paint splash detail on the shirt. You could also create a print clash look by layering this shirt over a black and grey striped t-shirt. As for styling these looks, keep it simple just like Tiger, with a chunky watch and a pair of grey sneakers. That is all from the episode of B-Town Style Under 3. I will see you guys in another episode with another look. Until then, bye-bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.